What's up guys, my name is Melissa. I made a video a couple days ago on how you can buy Safemoon altcoins. So this will be a continuation of that video where you're going to learn on how you can actually sell these Safemoon altcoins through Trust Wallet and cash out. So first, make sure that you have these two apps, your Binance app and of course your Trust Wallet app. Here's how the Binance apps look like. I'm going to be using the US version because I live in the US. If this app is not available to you, then you probably need to watch a different tutorial. Now let's open the app and sign up. It'll ask for your information, a picture of your ID, and it'll even take a live photo of you. Once everything is complete, tap Got It, then click on Enable SMS Authentication. You then will have to wait until they approve you to further use this app, and let me tell you this, it took me 3 days before I got verified by the app. Keep checking the app daily until you see the add payment method instead of the pending button. That means that you are verified. Now that you are verified, let's use the Trust Wallet app where you bought your Safemoon altcoins. Here are the Safemoon altcoins that I bought a few days ago. Now I want to turn those into Smartchain BNBs. Now tap Browser, then choose Pancake Swap. Then tap here and choose Safemoon. Read the terms and see if you agree. I am choosing to sell the maximum of my Safemoon coins. Then we want to turn that into BNB. Then tap Approve Safemoon. Then Send. Now we're just waiting for it to approve. Then tap Swap. Double check all the fees, then accept and confirm. Tap Send. The transaction is now submitted and being processed. You don't have to, but you can check the status of your transaction here. Then go back to the home of your wallet. You'll then have to wait for your money to transfer to your Smartchain. By the way, it took 20 minutes for my money to transfer to Smartchain, so just be patient. Once you have money on Smartchain, go ahead and tap Smartchain. Then tap More. And then trade it for BNB. Now, I want to swap all of the Smartchain altcoins I have, so at first, I'll choose 100%. Tap Swap. Because they don't automatically take out the network fees, we will take out a calculator and subtract the total BNB to the fees. Then go back and retype the difference. Tap Swap, then Send. Now it's processing, so it may take a few minutes. Do not panic if you see most of your money gone, as it will eventually show up. It took about 2 minutes for mine to show up. While waiting, I would suggest to go back to the Binance app, then tap the middle button, then Deposit. Now choose BNB. Make sure to copy both the memo and BEP2 tokens. So first, copy the BEP2 wallet address. Then go back to the Trust Wallet app. If you see money on your BNB, go ahead and tap BNB. Tap Send. Then double tap and paste what you copied from Binance on recipient address. Make sure to also copy the memo from the Binance app. Then paste. Tap Done, then Next, then Send. Your BNBs will then later on turn into 0. You can then check if your BNB money transferred to your Binance app yet. Tap X, then Back. It took about 2 minutes for my money to transfer to this app, but this varies from person to person. Make sure that you are on the middle button and then tap BNB. Tap the icon on the top right and then sell the BNBs to turn it into US dollars. I'm gonna choose to sell all. Tap Preview Sell, then Confirm Sell. Tap OK. You should then be receiving a confirmation email on the transaction. Now that we've exchanged the BNBs into US dollars, it is time to withdraw and transfer it to our bank. Tap on US dollar, then withdraw. Add your bank account. You can choose whichever here, but I'm gonna be doing ACH, then putting my bank info. Once you're done, you can now go back and put the amount that you want to withdraw. I'll be doing max, preview withdrawal, then withdraw. Then you'll be getting a text with some code numbers to type out. Then your withdrawal is now pending. And nope, that is not the end of it. You'll be receiving an email immediately, so make sure to open that. Then tap Confirm Disbursement to authorize transaction. Choose whichever browser. I'm just gonna go with Chrome. Then finally, you are done. All you have to do is wait for the money to arrive at your bank. And let me tell you this, it took 3 days for the money to show up in my bank. So what I got all in all is $129. The actual money that I put in was $105 that turned into $155. Then now at my bank it's $129. So this pretty much gave me a profit of $24. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you all made some good profits in there, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye!